Yeah, for go back there like let's film your own one that you just play for. Yeah, for go back there like you know, film your big man. I like it. I believe. I do that. Half the men for me. That's it. Men brother. Half the men for me, brother. I see him in the SC over there. Say you there. With some guns and in it direct. So we're clean at the street. My wood and pussy, they know they ain't never leave. There's some fella with you that can squeeze. Some killers don't check. Can't walk in my shoes, them a move like the world. They don't just gotta get fucking them in new lens. Boy, don't smile, just a trouble with a urgent. Me not school class, I still a teach students. Them can't stop one now moving. Rep like that, can't stop moving. One moving. They like have you on the board. I control the place and them can't never move flat. I don't see nobody in my way. They're not going to let it up. They're not going to live so long. They're not going to live so long. We're not white flat. We're not flat. They can't see the flat. With some guns and you ain't carried. Pussy this is better hold your breath. You better. So we clean at the street. I hold them pussy, they know they ain't a league. Now don't follow with the chick that in a squeeze. Some killers who push us over the don't link like on one man, but me, my clip that like on your phone, because we got that part like no, yeah, just by no way, feedback. This is a glass of table, say I treat you. One life, one minute. One life, boy, them on the street like there's such man, the man for the main shot. So he has for 16 main shot.
Get me, oh.
Alright, where's your ass? What do you want? No, you guys have to it doesn't make you come with it. You know I'm paying you, bro. Well, you know, me feel say now. You know, me feel say, you know, skills my way. Yo, just I like them. Just give me the bro. Nobody like them. Give me the bro. What did I say, bro? Yo, fire, where you go? Where am I going? No. You know, me feel say nasty. Yo, fire. I feel them. Take them. Are you know now? I think we are all feel. I fight I strike up. I cry last night, didn't know. Thank you very much, darling. Peace and love. Thank you very much, Kimbo. Birthday, no. You have to get a birthday, but just finish it off, yeah? Thank you. No, it was yesterday, but thank you. Thank you very much. Hello, you want some more? Here's a round two. Round three. Now we leave the night shop. We still continue. Yeah. Next year. Somebody has to hide there now. Yo, bro. Oh, so many people start coming back already. Hey, bro. Let's play. I don't know nothing what you have to talk about. Molly, take up that. Molly.
JJ, I hate it. See it drop there. Listen. Me don't know what not talk about. Me not feel no man tonight. Thank you for the follow. I'll follow you back. Thank you so much for the follow. I'll follow you back. You know, if you don't mind the back, go look for them. The man that can't look for them. Yes, man. Money is all I need. I guess today I never reached a party yesterday. Yesterday I party, but still. What weekend? I don't know. What weekend I party? Last night I'm mad. Look up on YouTube. Subscribe. Shani Bingy TV. Check it out.
It's really easy to switch.
Hear that? Remember that.
It's just me and my pledge them and chat. Between us.
My space, pick up yourself and follow you now. Who? Me? Which one? Very handsome man. Which one? Him or me? I get you. Me? Okay, thank you very much. I'm not fucking up. If you don't worry, you have to worry me. I'm not fucking up. Yes, but thank you very much for the compliments. Yeah.
Jadi, so welcome. Greetings, blessed greetings.
Why are you giving me all these compliments? I'm a lawyer. I thank you very much. I am. Thank you very much. I'm a cheater. I'm a yesterday man, this is yesterday man, but I'm free. You know really. I have time to just look for him. Watch out. Local, what do you mean? I'm a cheater. Let me local.
Pass us on the something. You know what to roll it.
I'm from Jamaica, but I'm in the I'm a cheater. I'm a lover. What's my name? My name is there. My name is there. See that? I want you happy. Me? I'm here. I'm not gone. I'm here. I'm here. Please, may I make this one tap on the screen? Please, thank you very much. And the art me. Please, thank you. We are talking and we are reason. Come now, give me the art me and the can. The art me them and the lights.
And you know the Messiah names of the singer.
I am here. You. Don't charge me. I love it. Thank you very much for the lights. So the art me. Yeah, the art me. Woman, this because and I read, you know what? Seriously, and I read things. What she said? come with the bucket. Don't take them down there in the bucket.
No, you're not sure that we did that.
Yes! Come on, the ass of the bucket out. We're from there. I'm sorry. More real than the bucket. We don't love where you're going. We don't like that. We feel that way over here.
Yeah, that has to be the
We
way.
never feel that way. That's the truth. No, hungry and don't be disappointed. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. No, my God, she don't be disappointed. But no, I'm feeling.
You can't show that. That's the one from the small. The one them not like that. Are the smallest. Left back down. They're not bad.
No, not the one they went for last time.
That's in the boost. That's in the bin.
I choose that one. We should not have it. We should not have it.
It's gonna be serious.
We should not have it.
Molly, why you there in here? Why you in here? I smoke out in here.
Yeah, just got your father. I know. That's why I'm wanting to join the team, so I'm going to check in. Yeah, now, what was the vibe, boy? I'm friend. In restaurant, Jamaican delight, if I'm here, my father. Think about it. But she's 6'9", you can do it. 6'9", Lincoln Road. Take and just give back a follow, Jamaican delight. Yeah, what a vibe, man. Yeah. I just saw we go on, man. What a good vibes, But that's the real thing, though. We are here with no reality, because they are empty. We shock them. We shock them, they are empty.
How far cut this?
So say hi.
Long time.
What I said? So when do they kiss? What am I talking about? Now they kiss.
What that there?
Which one? Yo.
This up here.
Watch the same someone will come again.
This up here and top side. This are mine. I eat it down for it. Oh yeah, you're right. So you have the lines.
Nobody pre them.
Let them go on. Second. Are we a catch on the second?
Anyone gains are really fine. Yo.
Are you from Birmingham? Yeah, well, thank you.
That to me?
I come to me decent people on the way from the wrong way. Wash the face. I'm in no plan for late. Yeah. Alright, but glad you said that. And that only that way, man. You know, like I want to show you the last book, one. The smart. Mama said, you're so glad. I love you, that's why. But we're glad. No, we can't show you liquor one. Fast liquor one, we can't show you. No, we couldn't show it before. We couldn't show it before because it was small. But now we can't show it. Yeah. Ha 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 ha, yeah. Yeah, and these them people, bro. And these them people, them are from. Yeah. Mama said, I think the baby wants this. Yo! My favorite drink, nice with pineapple. I've never tried it with pineapple before. Maybe I'll try it. Yo, I don't know what they are.
Oh shit,
Well, different bottles. All different bottles.
hold on, now go up now again. Now go up now again.
Collaborate and everything, but just
Now go up now again.
suffer now.
Hold on.
Show me. Show me.
How long me around? 15, 16.
It's easy to say
17.
something, but
And we go around
sometimes
for like
something
until we left. So I look back on it. I never remember.
I'm not
I
mad
never
at things.
So
remember.
you see it all.
Yeah, I never
Yeah,
remember.
true, true, true.
No, I catch everything.
I like your style, my friend. I'm going to follow you. Make sure when I go live, I will share my life with you. I like your style. Mama style, I am studying. I want to make it a big with full legs tonight. Thank you.
Again, them I love you up.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That's a nice comment. Thank you.
Someone said to me panicking when we decided to come my yard. But then said that
Just the acid board. 20 and color. I look much in my
kids, kisses, hey.
I want to see you look like color in my very put on the back.
But thank God you open my eyes. Now I'm in a little bitch come back with my eyes.
big up for myself. Blessed, blessed. The man Rastafari, give thanks, give thanks.
Thank you very much. I enjoy your company. Thank you. And thank you for your compliments, yeah? Thank you. That means so much to me. Thank you very much. Let's make sure you send the art me so you know when I'm going live. So don't make me blush. Please don't let me blush. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Supposed to you're supposed to blank the screen, but you can't blank the screen.
I want to get out him.
I want to blank the screen, so I want to put it up in it.
No, man, left him, man.
I want to put it on this.
It's proper activity.
One man.
Is it you going away? You will hear it with some play, yeah? With some play.
Thought for your thought. Yeah, me humble and prove him approve. I was still a win war, but alone me a lose. I was self and with that one roar with a skull. Pain and pain, so me use the tattoo. When I got leave me and I lose if I am. Still I'm in the dance, I'm a lose.
This one is
That's right, now I can take one next one, then I say banana one, then I say that one. Which one you want? Just come and tell you at home.
Yes, boy, keep them and them big time. We no jump ship when I walk down the drive. I come from the world, so I live the best life. But watch I make eyes, this
Yeah, man,
better now, yeah?
how are you doing, man?
You feel right better now?
Yeah, I still feel like that's good.
You have to make it.
Oh. Tight. You drop them.
You know, move. What my look now. Swear, what are you? I'm pretty sure that's your last time. So,
You sure?
Oh, but it's down so much, man. It's down
Bear.
one down so much. And you just put down that down now.
I'm just show you coming in a pre-weight there. Watch out. Watch out. When you go here, man. So I have it, sir. You know, I forgot first, sir. Look, man, I forgot,
You know
sir.
what it is, man. Yeah, man. You have to look up in anything like that.
No, sir. Me not think now there is this thing.
Alright. No, I'm saying enough because of
Awesome.
yeah, back.
I think that the way how me have it, you know, I think that's the best way. Sort out the music.
Alright, go look on this.
Sort out the music.
Go look on for me.
You have to look too much up.
Thank you very much. Watch out, let go. Yeah, watch out.
Missing I running fuck before joy. Living blinking, some boy too switchy, bro. People wicked, that's why I'm still not like some dog. No thank you, we not know if you want me a turn on this informer. No laughing, me come kill you, yeah, if you're so rally. God protect me as a killer, me no miss prayer, no morning.
No money.
When you sell out your real friends, like you go rubber touch or free. Living blinking, some boy switchy, bro. People wicked, that's why I'm still not like the crowd.
Yeah, man, sorry for the whole heap of jumping up and down on the phone. I try to sort out the phone a little bit, but the phone keep on a jump up and down, but sorry for that, yeah?
Friendly walk so before loyal to the one that
Tripod never set up properly. Yeah, man, once again, look up all the people them all around. People them in Indonesia, people them in Europe, people them in Jamaica and the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago, people them in America, likewise. People them over Germany, big up on yourself.
Living blinking, someone too switchy, bro. People wicked, that's why I'm still alive. The crowd, so much of it with the road. Me not like to know
One thing where I said what is my negative thing? I'm not really upon the negative thing. I don't strictly positiveness. You know what I mean? I like people that have a life and them things. A life where I deal with the world.
If I put in a million split blues, but I be here if I put in this. come off your way. Shoot up anywhere when we broke up on a stay. Uno can't test the youth to come up here. Uno can't put on a boat up on a gear. Skies are wicked, probably land down Mississippi.
Yeah, man, I was on Earth Strong yesterday. I was far out to celebrate, you know. And today is a different day. So before we leave, we said make we have a little get together again before we leave today. So yeah, man, many respect. Yesterday I only had ones and ones with pure negative things. But we don't really make that get to it still because the positive, that's to say. We don't really go get down to a one level.
Ready, can pick up yourself with a baby. Active, no mama. Active.
I want to big up all the people in the Brixton, South London, Peckham, Croydon, see, North London, East London, West London, big up on yourself. If you don't know, if you must know over there in Nottingham, the north part of England, big up everyone in Nottingham, see, big up everyone in Peterborough, see, big up everyone in Manchester, big up everyone in Birmingham, straight, big up the whole of the English people.
When I sell out your real friend, it's like you're
Yeah man, it's I and I, Jadi, many respect, give thanks and praise.
some boy do switchy, bro. People wicked, that's why we're still not like the crowd. That's why I'm still not like the crowd.
Watch out, watch out.
Bash me. Friend never asked so before. Loyal to the board, that's so me know. If somebody jump on jail, somebody man up the road. In a bum sweet dance in the support. What you know about these streets? Why you cold? Switch on your flip, try check your phone. Say bad this, better leave it alone. That me I tell you.
Maximum, yeah man.
Skies were wicked, probably long down Mississippi. These bitches quick for this. My love, doors hit. Remember that. Lift it, blicky. One or two switchy. People wicked, that's why we still not like the broad. So much everything we wrong. When I like see nobody on phone. Me see my really fuck before June. From a place, we did a beef, we wouldn't skate like a hawk come in a face if we play. I'm full of shade, the bruise and at the place. If I come in on me and split bruise back on me ears, if I pussy pencil, we soon come up for weird. Shoot up anywhere in a group up on the scale. Uno can't test the youth of my baby. Uno can't put
Like I say, I'm never make them son-in-law thing. Birthday bash yesterday. Before I was to celebrate and them thing there. And today is a different day. So we just have a little family reunion until we leave. Because we come from a very far journey from Peterborough to get to Nottingham. An hour and a half journey, or a hour I should say.
That's why we still alive. That's why we still alive.
Big up everyone in the house, Lady Shen, Jamaican Delight, straight, Davin down, from Clyde down to Nottingham. Big up mum up on the inside. Big up the rest of families them inside. Yeah man, once again, big up everyone, you know, from all over still, because realize few people from all over the world, you know, them kind of sometimes, you know, subscribe and tune in, and we kind of like that stuff, you know, because like I say, there's positiveness we're dealing with still. Some people on the live yesterday appear negativeness, but I really know you're not the negativeness. I wouldn't go up on somebody live and I take sort of things. I just negativeness to say, you know. Big respect, enough respect. Respect, man. Respect. Do remember once more again, every Tuesday from 5 o'clock till about 9 o'clock. The live at the shop at Jamaican Delight. Live is the live. And from Friday till Saturday from 5 o'clock same way until 10 o'clock. Every Friday, every Saturday from 5 o'clock till 10 o'clock p.m.
Make us be more full of them. I'm not laughing nobody. Gonna be everybody. I'm gonna see that I'm
One!
We give thanks to everyone's support. Everyone that who really kind of hate what we are doing. I don't know why. Even the ones that we are saying pure negativeness, we still give thanks to everyone. That's it. Big respect.
But bitch, why we pass the shadow? I'm a fool like that.
Go upstairs, go piss, man. We are going to rain, go to go wet up yourself. Come on, go catch cold. Go upstairs.
Watch it up.
No one around here is straight love you. I don't know why you keep saying that.
What am I saying?
Drake or Diddy.
Drake, eh?
Drake or Diddy.
Drake or Diddy?
Yeah, I disrespect them and disrespect. They just keep saying, look, Drake or Diddy.
You see all them people who are talking about Drake or Diddy? We don't pay with no mind, you know. Because we know what we not talking about. We not pay with none of no mind. We don't like people who are cuss. I don't really depend on the cussing. We don't depend on that.
Why are you where?
You understand me?
Why are you there?
Yeah, we there home.
Someone from Brazil, so
Welcome to Brazil. Blessed, big up all Brazilian. Come on, big up all
fall into
Brazilian.
its knees.
Yeah, big up all Brazilian.
I don't think the UK fall into its knees for the last 15 to more political things.
So you see all them one way I talk about people in the party. We know we don't just look people for cuss. I know they pan no cuss. This is a family thing. Family. All of who you see there, so it's family. So you see when we not talk about PD the party and all them thing there, listen man. We have to stop and look at madness.
Show your face.
Me personally not go for nobody thing. So talk as sort of like a madness.
It's bad.
Some want to feel easy on yourself, some want to find something and do and stop chat for free.
You choose rich, you choose rich.
People are so negative, isn't it? Like proper negative.
Believe in yourself, man.
Family and Diddy. Strong.
Testimony.
Why, Mr. Millennium, oh, you think this? I know, respect them still, not freedom.
Yeah man, big up.
Nah, and so, no, I
Yeah man,
swear.
Daniel, big up yourself. You want good music. Yeah man, big up yourself, Daniel.
What's your name? Alright.
Yeah man, Daniel, big up yourself, Daniel.
What's your name?
Sorry.
Stefan, big up yourself, said you. What's your name? If I even know how far we get last night. You know how far we reached last night with no bad comment and stick now. We up our far reach some views that we get last time. We respect on your fuck. I swear. Y'all going crazy in the chat. Yeah, them are go crazy but my thank them see me for go so crazy in that chat because we never get so much view. Last night, mad. The same thing I want to keep it up because we get some views last night. That's what we want to do last night. We get some blood clot views. Go on YouTube and go check it out. Go and check it out and see what views we get last night. I tell you, so somebody it's good. It's good. Go to other stream if you are going to be ignorant. We are having a party. Just tell them no, and we still not free them, sir. I said last night, instead of me pre the good comment them like them.
Speak English. They must speak English. What you can't understand them.
Okay.
They're speaking English.
See, instead of last night, no, instead of last night, when you people were just saying all negative things, I was looking at that. Instead of just looking on the few people who were speaking positive things. They motivate me to come back tonight, yeah? All of those views you gave me last night, I never read, I can't read so much. Tell you now, I now read some of them. This is what I should have done for last night. Don't read, I don't pay them mind. All of them should comment there. Trolling as always. Just look at the school, man.
Why are you watching the page? Come off it. You're the one watching it.
Then come off if you can't understand. Get off. Fuck off. Go somewhere else. Please. No, man, good. Go somewhere else if you can't understand. All good vibes. People just be hating for no reason. I swear, Anthony. Them just come on internet and hate for no reason.
Keyboard warrior.
I swear. Come on and know what is up. Why wanna come over here what? Eh?
Nobody. Not even close.
Pharrell Williams behind you in white hat. Of course, he's a superstar. You know Pharrell, who don't know about Pharrell?
Skip out that, my brother. Skip out that, my brother.
No, you're not no goes out to my friend. Come on, feel away. Leave Diddy alone, bro. Nothing. What? From Atlanta.
Yeah, respect to Billy, respect to all the artists, respect to everyone. We're not disrespect the artists. Respect to them.
No, man, last night this man, they're not getting a message.
God bless.
Respect to Billy. I'm a day after this.
No, not tonight. I'm going to get one more tonight.
I want to do what they do. Each in the moon.
Different mood tonight. We don't like that this tonight. I forget you over tonight. No, for 11 days, I'm flying. What's the moment you are flying?
A place with tear down in
Pay more tax than them.
Warren up a stadium in a tight. Hype you walking on Lisa pussy bright boss 6 over man now fame you want fight girl.
And when Darren sing, we can't get them.
We know the people think
Yeah, we can't get nothing like this. So that's life. That's how we go on Jamaica and the life. Boring. I mean, I don't get nothing like this. Also, good comments. Boring. That's why
nobody not get back for Joe that right now. When you want 3 or 4 by 1 pussy.
yeah, man, but remember, follow Jamaica and the Life on TikTok, yeah? Yeah, man, Jamaica and the Life on TikTok. One Caribbean restaurant in the whole of the entire Peterborough.
I want to get the information, no kill man, I try to implicate man, so the nozzle just a flash up like an indicator, get the indication, so one will link the station, when move up on the plane, you know call you fear man, if you know you did a created the immigration, you know bad man, you want the imitation, just a great fan, at a pork, you know bacon, remember say man make you rich, give your bills and you know brain tan.
Yeah, man, remember when you can follow Davin Dan 1 on TikTok, yeah? Yeah, man, Davin Dan 1 on TikTok. Yeah, man, we can give him a follow. I heard strong yesterday. I'm a son-in-law, I will come give him a strength and them thing there. So, big up on yourself.
Why you not soda in a fridge? Oh, me no remember never see it. I soda. Coke, you wanna left it there and pussy that a step on line.
All of one of them in a cup, yeah. Chase on the
Remember your talking. Send me your teacher. Fucking kill them a time for you. Fuck your visa. Black 23 big Terminator. One look at people French turn up
You know some Bluetooth?
I'm gonna creep up. Head goes. Look at the must is pizza. Blood up on so that's like I woke up on the main chop. So you're going off the deal, but I'm still a killer. That's a freeze one.
I said, one somebody look at me. See one somebody come from me thing with negative comments. What me do? Black him. Sweet pop, me can't eat pop. Me fireman thing.
Let me pass 1 minute.
Me can't eat pop here thing. Respect our man and feel like them. Respect.
Money expect money lane, money remember you couldn't have 6 by your name and to make it out running in your inch by the tree.
That's what I refer to. I mean,
You know, some idea man are here.
I'm going to use the next thing as a moderator next time. Next time I'm going to talk with you. Yeah, moderator madness with some people.
Just like a bucket of shit. You man we run the parish, 30 guns with a whip on it. And me and squash and daddy man when you come like this party boy. To go back to your room. Before me start to want to come pick up your body. We go right to them planes, see them so I spin.
No man can wipe up. Hello from France. Big up yourself in France. Big up yourself in France. Nobody can. Little boy.
Low killer thing, when we're repeating, you don't still imagine. Yeah, we gonna put nobody from no bridge. Look at you, we bossy man. Feeling
Watch out.
we
know where I allow no blood clot.
Someone will be sent to Jamaica right now.
Now, friend, it's empty. One lot in the name of me. Before me, everybody have it dead. From a cabby, you are take no bad now in a you just have it in a rest. Hey, that's the pump of put you on. I went about that last night. Eh? What the man with where? I know you stand Texas. I know grown for your friend Black. You a get shot.
No one can wipe off my face. If you go and talk from your body, 90s one done, watch your mind game. Begin for a man, try brave.
Because then,
Who is if you shut your boy and listen me on the sky?
hands up, right, that up.
Nobody now will look at this and never let up.
Remember a picture you take when you spot you. Little boy.
Molly, a little boy, I can't tell you.
I don't know for murder, man. Let God see me out. Okay, that boy, that's that. That's that. Hey, that's talking.
Molly, a little boy, I can't tell you.
I don't know for murder, I make God see me out. You're a little boy. Yeah, that. I don't know for murder, I make God see me out.
Save money, I'ma buy up verses. Buy up verses, yeah. So chop out what you're waiting and stay hungry and can't do patience. So you gotta work, but sometimes take too long. But the help on a vacation. Short term, now stay too long. Pick up a life, control it like a PlayStation.
Now start line up now. Yeah.
Get the all-new iPhone 7.
iPhone 17, I want.
Grammarly helps possible while depleting the least amount. I'm Lauren Taylor. I'm a student and I am a Grammarly user.
You gotta find out what's up.
Yeah, you got the new fry, yeah, everything there, yeah,
Anyway, we go film bomb and steal.
Anyway.
Anyway, we go film. But my English is bad, I am a Russian.
go hacking file and build song. Switching on my foreign vibe for England. Cause them that pull up a Indian. Girls man, my mount a these job. Them suspects something that time to switch bank. 20 grand chop out a gift card. Click the link clock out time star. We got chip clock.
We have
spin back.
We have
19 back black 23. When me carry it unusual. Twin 22 clock I carry 22 mag. White pre-brands. Flanker we create confusion. Boom. It will be too mad. Sitting on me head as a scholars. We feel bad manuscripts. Done breathing. One no game then talk to my cheeks. One feel the heat. Talk to my dick. 100 US for the tank to bring. Peace that has been the X4 and a king. Peace on the toll make you float.
Trouble make a pussy, them a trouble make a bash, them a money make a this life a double like a baby. Should I be careful for me, cause it's a very dark. This ain't no chance, this is a full of teeth and I never leave it. If you go too sad, then it a go be your pressure. Me say, me a walk with one, make a step and me say, run, boy, feel better, you a bang. Too long, thing on the house, land. Run by crown, can't sleep in.
What drugs we sell? Hennessy and rum. That's the drugs we sell. Hennessy, rum. Hey my wife. Hey my lovely wife. I love you, baby. There you go, I don't appreciate it. Yeah, jump on my car. I see how room with her. I saw that. We have saw that too. We have saw that too. We have that in place. I tell me we say, where I have blood from the church. Let me just go book now. Move fire. The people have asked for the lamb. What can I do to say? I say, Roma, I hate this. This is the one that say I have a job to say. We don't say no jokes. We don't say no jokes. I can clean your toilet. You can clean my toilet. Big man thing, more than why you clean my toilet. My toilet already clean. We are clean person. What? Yeah, look funny. What yeah? Once you are very good. Once I can clean your toilet. You know why I clean my toilet already clean.
So weird on TikTok.
Me no want.
People are so
Me no want.
Molly.
Yeah. That? Them are some weird people. Some weird people.
Oh my god, look at that. That's just racist. Well, I like Planet of the Apes film. Hold up.
You like what?
Oh, one, you right?
Oh, yeah, right.
How are you?
Right. Getting wet.
Where your shoes then? So where are you?
Bring in your shoes. Yeah, like your shoes.
Alright, watch it, man. You're not to do that, you know. Hold on, no, man, you're not to do that.
Come here with your shoes.
Hold on, no. What do I do that for?
Why say it like
Yeah,
that?
no. Since as you left his shoes out there.
Oh shit.
You see?
Okay, hello.
Put teenage shoes that you got on back out.
Last year, remember? I remember.
You know we are little shoes out in that rain. So you can back out in that rain and got the shoes.
When I reached last night, you left.
Mom.
You left before we came.
Jesus Christ. That's what me
I treat different life. I about today. You can't find your nose.
Too late. Too late.
I mean, look so rough.
Rough what?
Why you guys are lying to her?
Hey boy. I said that boy. Hey, a clean boy, not you boy. That's the boy. I said, what guy here? But where I like him from? Wicked boy. Yes, not now I'm here.
Yeah, the music already.
I'm a real place, start free, then get from going
I don't need that case there, man.
future great, we not discuss the past.
Just know me have love in our heart, but we still cut them off.
Thank God, let's slow.
Them a talk loud and we
You
make
find the
coming
case,
through.
put it up for me, last time.
Remember last time, I took it to him. Yo, we are. And who close someone to reach for? Come on, is a bitch, me no want to reach that. Who you call me dirty boy? Who you? Me not pay no mind, me no know who you call me dirty boy. And probably you think I should tell something, me need to look back. Me not pay no mind. Do the views like last time. I want this reach viral too. This last night reached viral. Do this again. But I love this reach viral again. Alright? Yeah, viral. Viral. Let go. Sit slow. Say no one. You must talk loud and me make me proud. I'm a slogan. Yeah. Let go. Sit slow. Yo, we are joker, we get twice a one, we get older. I'm making a feel real. I'm telling them I feel safe. I'm feel people in my real place. Start free, that get from going at the can't believe this a little love. Them would have smiled if them could fall out. Future bright, we not discuss the past. Just know me, I'm love in my heart, but we still cut him off. Still cut him off. Me still have love in my heart.
Same way, cut him
Me and me shit. Oh.
That been long is to reach me.
I'm supposed to reach and now because I do it for nothing.
Yo, man. It's was. It was.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Go on, get burned. Who know? Over there, stuff. Yo.
We didn't like crowd act like nobody exists.
How about that? I'm picking up for a lot here. This one is a lot here. I'm mad at you. See that? Me actually do best. Me am listen. Me tell him, but he must have to pull it. But me, I come and me tell him to me I pull it. Me tell him to me I put up here and he said, don't put it up. Yo! See you man say me don't fit things. Yeah man, you drink it. You know, sir, I'm drinking. I try best to not feel my mind. I put the buckle up on the price like everything. Now, leave it back here to me and a friend. That's about it here.
You see, I guess
Which one?
size.
This one?
I'm
I'm a trick step back here.
this time.
That's why I can't do this.
Coffee flavor, we be
You have to deal with anything good.
You
Your bumbo class, you have to tell you it's high. Same thing you should have said. Tell you.
before each life.
Tell you, say, I'm going to back here, big. So we should have pour out the back full that. I leave it. So we know that we know that should have back here. But we just try now when I want to pull up. So I have to stay. Virgin. I don't want you to stay. I'm a virgin. Virgin, please. We don't want you. My dog will pull you, we don't know. Yeah, don't listen to them, I'm not cheating about don't know. Fatty! I'm a fatty. Don't worry, I'm not hurt you.
Everyone, thank you very much and thank you very much.
But I hurt
The ones that want to show negative vibes.
them the people that base thinking shit, them the people that got yam shit. I don't know where I go down. Come to the pussy hole, yam shit, to don't think like dog shit.
No everybody. I know everybody, because we have some
Are
good
you a
people.
business owner looking for
Last
easy
time,
access
we
to
have
finance?
to
You need cash flow to cover costs of buying equipment, or maybe you've had an application turned down by your bank. To apply online or learn more,
man.
search for
Any respect.
Hey! Find that.
Last night we have 32,000 on live. The first one on YouTube live. Yeah, coming at the on TikTok.
There's my shit.
Join my thing, man. My channel. Johnny Bingy. Johnny Bingy. So it's JAHDEE BINGY.
The last one you said for 2 letters.
Yes,
So it's like this is like how you have Jack. You have Jack.
I want to see if we can see inside.
Jack. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Jadi. So it's Ja. DEE. Bingy BINGY. And D again. DEE. D.
Bingy
TV.
We go viral last time, partner. Them the thing
Subscribe
shit
and give
them.
me a look like
That shit them make we go viral.
Subscribe, yeah.
Them make we go viral last time over past. That man tell us.
Well, me give thanks to them.
What are they?
Me give thanks.
Fuck.
Them out of order, but we still give thanks, guys. I personally would never get on nobody live and pass all these type of comments. A madness. But each to them own still give thanks.
And that's why I see. You see.
It's just a little birthday bash and it's a family thing. It's not no party and all them things the way you expect.
You see
A
my friend on
bag of
name
woman
Goody.
and all them
Hold on,
stuff.
me have to not have
It's
message.
just a little family reunion.
Hold on. Let me tell you something. Me have to not have message to Goody. You see Goody, it's that girl that named Goody. But telling us that she can't read. Yo, me love that girl there, fuck. Cause me no know what me could read. Me should can't read. Cause the girl say, reading kill like bumbo clap best friend. Why me come up here so I try to read? I like a dead be wanted. Me not for fucking read. And that's why them people over there so dismiss her. Yeah, the girl say, Rosalie cried before 3,000 blood clot people. Why? Why Rosalie cried before 3,000 people? Because Rosalie can't read. Rosalie see what needs to respect him. And that me should do me.
Yeah, once again,
read.
yeah, man, we give thanks and praise. So big up all the people in Europe, all the people in Asia, all the people in Africa, all the people in the Caribbean.
You need to block this person here.
You see? I'm telling us
You have to
that.
block that.
That's why my
This
friend
person you
named
need to have to
my
block.
girl, that girl there, we
With
say
their
she can't read. She said if we don't type more than 5 letters for one word,
Right
we
there.
don't depend no word.
This person here.
Yeah,
You have
yeah?
to block that.
Goody say if we don't type more than 5 letters for one word, more than 5 letters for one word, we don't depend no one because she cannot read it. I see me, she don't go, me don't know what me. Me don't know what my father got school, me should have done. Me should can't read because that's why them the people over there so try to say because children can't read. Rosalie cried in front of much people. Why? She can't read. She read all that disrespect with them disrespect. Them read. I want to go like this but to the party, you know? I think I read all right when I dead put to a little cheek like husband. No, not friend, no, no, none is not here. But we smell like husband.
I want big up all Kenyan in the place. Yeah man, enough respect. Mama Africa. Yeah man, Mama Africa to the
No,
world.
we not read.
Yeah man, Mama
Stop,
Africa to the
stop
world.
read.
No, watch out.
Reading kills my best friend. Y'all got dead.
Yeah,
Don't
but-
read.
You see, even the people
Don't
that
learn
give
to
negative,
read. Don't learn. No
Listen.
read. No read.
They
No
make
read.
They mention P. Diddy and all them people. We know and understand whatever. Listen, respect due to all artists. We don't disrespect nobody or whatever. But what we are trying to say, respect to all the people with them good comments. All the people them all over the world. Respect to all African brothers and sisters. Respect to all Asian, Chinese. You have to respect when you can mean him Jadi. See? I mean a Jadi. So you have to respect him.
Me not respect you, you respect you. You can't damn shit. Real shit me and that. Me not think about it. I'm not saying that. But, right. But, I can tell you about the respect you. Who know? Me not respect. Me not respect you, but you know one thing, me know you can't share me energy like what you do before. You can't do it again. Because why? Me know, you know. Me realize that you do. You are a bunch of shit in plate. That's hard. So me not make you worry. You not worry me like
no, not everyone. Not everyone. Not everyone. No, not everyone. Not everyone. Not everyone. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Respect. Yeah, man, respect. No, listen.
What you done? You see, all you know, wait now. Last night, me and I talk about my killer. I've empty blood clot magnum. A case of magnum, my dog up there. So, pussy want to know about. I want to try for this to people who want to know. Who don't know them. A good suffer feedback, whether I good people them over here, so I know I bad on them. You know, shit. But to know. I don't know my killer about. Pussy. I want to know, I never prove to them. Oh, not talk, you don't know a facts. Who don't know, who don't know yourself? Nobody. From a real life. Who don't know yourself? But you don't know nobody.
I took the middle to the German in Poland. Don't step the camping down. I see we are the covering pass. Designer for days.
Son.
We chopping on yard.
Look how we done. You not done.
Quick, a couple of Louis Vuitton.
Active. Run up the views like last night. Run up the views. Run up the views.
I cheated. Girl, they will not see me. I pop G, but it's like the same cream. I pop my Benz of DP. Pull it up, one lead, she down to now sleep. But from last week, the bang I charge with a yard. Chop some man for them, I drop on the body can't see. Pull up on the party, I'm in the body can't see. Young cash code, the bank load. Don't got the client, but they're not the boss code. She live in that condo on the bank, the crossroad. From the money reach a London, and they run the can't draw. The ring notes calling on me in soul. Every day me like a candle, and I'm on the back soul. We kill a goat, sacrifice to big noise. I took the middle for the German import. Look for the dog, we never humble. Dark to dark, I never humble. We left up on the line, I want to run through. From back at class, look what you done to. From back at class. G.A. body, and then my front too. Put that true story out in my jungle.
Yes, I am young. In my iPhone, and when I call another iPhone, I make $1 million fast. My dog knock on the client door. A German cat? Remember that.
Yo, quit out your little creative click shoot down the head. Leave the man.
Man, know your partner. Why is the clerk?
Ask her who? Ask her who?
What is the last company now? All the people call you name 10 times. How are you?
So why don't I say that?
Kiddy.
Come here.
Kiddy.
How that?
What's that?
How they see that? Who that?
What is it?
How it? Who is that? Them a call your name. Why them a call your name?
Them a kiddie. It's a dog named Kiddie.
On straight nature.
Yeah, so
Oh no, there's someone else. No.
I'm not busy there.
There's someone else. Them say that and I laugh at you.
So people know me, I don't say. I saw a man that.
But them
Kiddie. Kiddie is a man, girl. What you say?
a kiddie. You know a kiddie? The person name.
Well, the people call Kiddie. It's a man that, girl. Virus sickness, a man that. Somebody was a man that, girl. Kiddie virus. Ras virus. That's a man that, the Kiddie is a man who knows that. Somebody will know
How can I help you? I'm opening the roller sunline on the sliding side.
What they say, if you
Right now, I don't speak no father.
Don't speak no father.
federal officials say the Jamaican lottery schemes are growing at an alarming rate.
Information by going straight into Jamaica's major organized crime and
You know what's the man that you represent for Kana Justice all the time, three days.
Same with Cliff.
I don't million naira.
Like Cliff.
Never shot star.
Millions. Nottingham Forest. Cliff. Ask Clive where Cliff. My son, I tell you, says Amanda, you in here, I tell you, I have a dog named Kitty. No girl can't name Kitty. Half your dog named Kitty. No, but that's a thing that says, somebody will know Clive. Clive, show yourself. What do you do here like that? It's a dog that. Show yourself. Don't play anything in that. You see them people over here, sir? I want to make sure that we will get black. You see them people over here, sir? That's why. No violation, you know. No violation, my teacher, but it's them people there, so more hold them. You see me? More hold them over here. Yeah. Over here. Oh. Millions. Yeah, come down onto the body. No, we do it. So we're ready for me. That's what we got to read. Yeah, that's what we got to read. Back to read. That's what we got to read. Back to read. Yeah, well, I'm a cheese. I just want to put us up. I don't talk to nobody, no, bro. Last night, I'm a violate. So, yeah. Yeah, you got kidding me. I say, yo. Not talk to nobody coming out older. I'm telling the dog, I'm here reading and tell the dog. I'm here reading and tell the dog. Because the dog say, now look up there. Respect.
Amazon Nexus had classic to expand the advertiser in 7 different countries. We can now produce over 500,000 products. Now, a new product for teenagers and adults.
I see him there.
Our Amazon campaign is so important because we are launching an unfamiliar market.
That girl now say, Rustly, man.
Eh? I mean, say, him Russ. Russ, sit down there, man. Try to show yourself. What are you doing?
I'm done for Nottingham.
Hey, Jordan. Now wait till the sun stop shine for sure them so we a start. Mixing up with you, with the ball me. Uptown, I come from a criminal place. Them see me in a jail, now them see my pound plane. I'm a devil, I got tears, now I'm that champagne. The money can't change me, now I feel long time. We are body now, like a small man. Nothing them sound again. Pussy member sound, no can't fall rain.
Never tell us, yeah. Go for your heart.
Mount a plan for them without fear.
Yeah. Them so carry far. My body belong to Mark. Yeah, my body yeah, I don't stop me. I show them so we are start. Never gone like that. I was back with them. Boy!
Dead poor now wealthy. Ice for my chain can never do no belting. Lots of sparks and a welding. 7.6 toes, my head split.
You know, see. No, very far. The last thing is very far between. Might have share, man. At New York, your life share from two right now.
No, me have people in America.
I know for your people, them. That's what
I don't mind people, them. I don't mind, I don't know them.
This is not it's not your people, them.
TikTok thing.
Which TikTok thing? Look up there, sir. It's a man share TikTok for Messenger. Look, the man.
Yeah.
And
So one of brother 5 people, them.
Yeah.
brother, I think different
So I must be that virgin there when I say.
Yeah, we're calling him Leo.
Yeah, well, you see
from there.
yeah. There you go.
look, the man, look what he share too. Out for and share, look out for them.
Yeah, let's be one of the people in America still, so. Because. What's the mission for my thing? One, so I know exactly.
Wait. For sure them so we a start.
Rustly.
Big him up, man.
Mixing up with you, with the ball me. Uptown, but we come from a criminal
What
place.
country?
Them see me in a jail, now them
If we still a drink that smoke for last time.
that champagne.
Of course, we're still drinking smoking
We
from
were
last
tuning
time.
from last night, man.
Let me tell you, people were there last time.
Based on some of the comments, then. Yeah.
No, we know how to deal with them. They can't get like this now.
Mount a plan for them without fear.
Them so carry far. Oh, I lie will not tell. Fit was the way of. What me tell us, we are fucking style. We're not going for the sunshine.
La Paz to the world, man. La Paz.
Yo, big up yourself, respect our brothers, boy, and share it. Share the thing.
Native greatness from St. Thomas, man.
We got them for everything outside. We all in our different
St.
part.
Thomas native.
Different our part. Well, for that.
Red eye for me things that they even start. 14 with my car, even big car. 14 shorter than
Still. Yeah, you see, you see last time, this is where the wrong me go. The wrong when me go. I really bad comment them all them people here when they have nah, you can't read them,
Can't follow.
me just read the bad one them. See it?
killers up in 9 morning before clock alarm. When I run from yard, this a king off a crown, one blood clot man.
It's like King Africa and fun.
If you feel and you up in the door where you want. Run everybody down, so the humbleness of a gun can't make the best you stuff where you are.
9:15 now, you want to go out
Them some carried fat. Oh my body belong to
15
you.
minutes now.
Wait till the sun stop shining, sure.
Now remember, see that headphone, Bluetooth, just put it up there.
Now wait till the sun stops shining.
Show them so we start. Remember that bomb box, no son we not wait for show them so we start.
Escape valve, stopcocks, needles,
Malibu.
That's the thing global. One time, one night you take it up viral to pussy. One night.
Me look for step them. I say people in there and things. I tell you no lie.
Hour and a half.
Me nah, I tell you no lie. Video thing.
But it's some Bronx, New York.
What we like, what we live but as they know I feel it. Whenever we hear something that you like, you grab forward. Come make the local coffee, you sit down, cool out, and so on. As usual, we are trying to find it.
Look at that, I watch it, and I know every on you, and I watch it. Somebody share it, remember what they're doing there. Watch them, I'm not talking to them. I'm talking to them. I can't talk to them. Can't talk to them. Can't talk to them. Watch them.
400k, give me this black shit.
100k
free bro. Gunpowder, you chopping on my road. Back. To kill with these shoes. Please put a belt on the 15. It's a belt where we never miss go. See, I'm when they really love and miss. But they do it pretty and too fast.
Kill him and move food. Bring him and move all know them don't know who's in me now. Who's in me? Food leave me no shoes. Get common. Leave me no two. Get con and nobody leave me no provide no soup. And your own family are gonna disappoint you. When you say
millions spent on 210k free. Big money spent on the seat. So tell me who we are one to. What not the bad people this. And that's where we go. You know what you know about this. Big chip, she pretty and cute. Don't you be so new.
get one up in a prison confused. Yeah.
Cute and nobody can heal. Figures
Watch out.
and shoes.
Rifle longer than picket and stool.
School and the clip them bend up like a quad.
Watch out.
You see me can be gone in a school or classroom. And me brother farm sit and farm fool.
Over there.
As a dark you can't see through me clip like I'm a jar roof. And no
Ras.
never
And me ask them say, me don't feel them dead if me don't see pan news. Me have to see it pan news.
I know you're not feeling my
And America smell our shit.
Yeah, man, big up all the American friend them, see? Yeah, man, big thanks, give thanks, give thanks. Yeah, man, run the Bronx, Brooklyn, you know what I mean, all over.
Get chicks and she pretty and cute. Million spent for 99.
100 faith in our soul.
All the people in England, all the English people them were there with me, big up on yourself, same way.
Remember we
All
banned
Nottingham people, big up on yourself. Brixton people, Southwest London, big up on yourself.
300 kg groom rifle.
Bingy, the mosquito fly. There, the mosquito. And your trouser there. You see it?
Your mother. Pyro. Yes, Pyro. Yes, but Pyro. Protect your mother.
Your favourite mix pack with fully verified with authenticity guaranteed.
Yeah, man, I request Valentine from night and we can't get it. I don't know why. Valentine, I'm sorry. Yeah, man, happy Sunday to everyone all over. All the people in America, all the people in Europe, all the people in Indonesia, and the people in Turkey who are watching as well, because we see what go on. Give thanks. See, all Caribbean people, we Jamaican people, we love you. See, we love you. We love you, local island. We love you straight.
can't trust nobody.
Yeah. Up in New York.
Father God, me a beg you. Do not make them catch me in a spot and them attack and no quit no in the block and if me buck up on the cops. Do not make them find the lock spot and if them use me pray for fire shot. I am worried that I'm going for just now, me no know bro. Look at my trees and my chopper with a full score. I know what them a breathe when them they want close court. That is the song for life. And I see the way you have to have nice. I'm Jamaica to Nottingham. I get the bonus when you're baptized.
Listen up.
You don't get the chance to think twice. People really inside. So you do anything for life. This is something called life. Something called life. One magas cares for me, but me alright now life. If you cut me, you buck up and if you don't looking at snake and crocodile lives, I'm fear of bump like pain on my spine. Never see a journey where smooth like time. Ball wild fast spinners, but we for your carbine. One bag of rifle for fire pan. And it's a city called life. And I sit no way you feel nice. And I feel your body even when you take one long say that no go no smoke with them. And it's a something called life. You don't get the chance to think twice. People really inside.
Yeah, listen to that.
Think for live my life.
Last clap.
Yo, dog, trust, stop that shit. Cause them just cage little like rat bad shit. Missy man just and dead dog, but that's not me. Once people still a band, me now drop that list. I'm blast like Gris, still on it too. Long clicks, when every shot the night longer than bam sticks. Me the friend and me get things turn around and chat me. I miss the girl me used to wife turn in a bad bitch. I'm just too dog, when I'll be fuck you dog. My paranoid, I feel like all I weed, I done too fast. I need it money for them to just me and me no suit dog. Don't suit me, I ain't not. Moon walk, just too dark. Me just to make me just too dark. We can lose these things cool like no go school class. I'm not choosing from here.
I'm just too hot.
I'm just too.
Cause it's big Jamaican light in our
and I see the way you are feeling nice. I feel the money even when you're not crying. And you know get the bonus when you're baptized. Yeah, and this a second called life. You don't get the chance to think twice. People really inside. So we do anything to live my.
Just big up DJ AG. Yeah, man, anyway, there, my brother, help yourself. See? Big up Rapper Crapper. See? Big up Rapper Rogo from Brixton. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
What's some white them say? What's the name?
Can't tell you no be mine, go decide to rest and feel very myself. Always I go find real something for belly of myself like
Me not left my gun to please nobody's up there, man, my friend.
always have been hiding. And it's a single life.
Oh, God. Gotcha, what you say?
Get gifting sorted early
We
with
call our one a birthday carry on from yesterday until
What's that?
today.
Let's go on.
We just celebrate until we leave. Cause yesterday we came up to celebrate a little birthday.
Let's tell where you gone.
You know what I mean? So today is a different day, so we decide to just have a little moment until we're ready to leave. Cause this is Nottingham. We're heading forward back to Peterborough. So Davin Dan, you know you have a happy and strong good. You see? Son-in-law, son, everything in
What's
here.
the man play that for you and then? You see that song I play, the song I play from 2 nights ago we are flat and the song I play, this song I'm reach England.
Alright, so play.
We don't know and believe this is the song I'm reach England.
And this is the song make him reach England, he might play.
Listen. What?
So this is a big moment. Introducing the song that bring my son-in-law to England, Nottingham. Play it, my brother. This is the song. Oh God, from Nightmare, sweet. I'm from Nightmare, so listen from Nightmare, so that tune. They were Blah Boss anyway, the artist named Blah Boss, so you mean? Big up DJ AJ, online DJ from London. Big up Rapper Crapper anyway there. Raga Robo from Brixton.
Nearly give up God and time. Cannot sleep, cannot smile. Eyes them still and look back and remember that. You put God in everything we do.
Pull up.
Pull up.
Pull up. No man, from top.
Anything we do.
The people, God on time we say, see, God on time.
Lose many things, sometimes anything. That's a side version. You have days me feel like me lose everything.
God on time we say, God on time. Respect the most side.
Can't believe say you do that time now. Heart got already figure full of scars now. Heart got already figure full of scars now. Don't separate figure full of cancer. I'm a guy. Nearly give up on God and time. Cannot sleep, cannot smile. Eyes them still and look back and cry. Nobody know everything I do. Women don't believe when we say I'm good. That is still believes I'm in a problem. They almost the pain of a woman love. And nobody can tell me say broken heart so ill. Living in a lie. Living a lie. Nobody not tell me say broken heart so ill.
God on time, one more time. God on time, rest man. All the people man know say them love the most high. Rastafari, God on time.
That's a sad virgin. One of these will feel like we lose everything. When I pretend to feel pain, can't believe so good I'm
God on time.
Can't believe say you do that all now. That I got already figure full of scars now. That I got already figure full of scars now. Don't separate figure to walk outside. I'm a cannot cry. Awa. Me only give up but God and time. Cannot sleep, cannot smile. Eyes them still I look back and cry.
You can open the boot so you can start put some of the stuff in.
Women don't believe when we say I'm good. Daddy still believes.
Yeah, only patties. Yeah, only patties.
No, not like before.
Nobody not tell me say broken hearts so ill.
Right now,
Nobody not tell me say broken hearts so ill. Living in a lie. Can't believe so we would have fall out. Can't believe so you do that all now. I broke already figure full of scars now. I'm like it. We should do come still feel me no curly. If I ever win me everything that beside me. That's why I love the gun and go come on the love beside me. Cabin and barrel, we see what's sliding and lying, what's sliding and rising. I know I'm kind of walk to take a phone to die. I'm cannot cry. Nearly give up but God and time. Cannot sleep, cannot smile. Eyes them still I look back and cry. Put that in everything I do. Mommy don't believe when we say I'm good. Daddy still believes so we no problem. You almost the pain of a woman look. And nobody can tell me some broken heart story. Living in a lie, waiting on time. Nobody can tell me some broken heart story. Living in a lie. Can't believe so good I follow. No one knows some good I follow. Can't already figure full of scars up.
You see last time, no one pay money, man. Tell him, man, say, law boss alone can't make more, man. We can't hold the vibes off of law boss alone. Alone. Hey.
I'm guessing this is what the inside of your mind looks like?
Oh, buddy, not as close.
Switching to Vodafone full fibre broadband is as easy as that with one touch switch.
Real friends, you know I'm too many. Give thanks for the few of you. Champion box for me, nigga, say what she would. Yeah, chick like fake, you know. I figure the perfume can change with the mirror. Tears inside for me, I can't see my loyalty. Free with now, look to life. Free with that one remind. Say love, man, look at me, look myself now. One thing, I know, go stick together. Real friend, if I never you tell them, I will tell them. Real friends, so these things if you sometimes I know that they're from
We can't tell her that crying.
Love him? Where I hit road. A road where I hit. A road where I hit.
Bring a follow them.
Huh?
Wait, not there one. Bring a follow them.
Yeah, me know.
but the things that we talk, if you friend for dead, no apology, big up.
Can't come up.
Cause them nigga family.
So, oh, now, boy, you're not for you to go there.
No time till I be a fool,
Bring a follow.
If I never you tell them, I will tell them. Real friends, you know I'm cool. So give thanks for the few. Shut up in box for me, nigga, say what she would. Be a chick black fake killer. The finger, the film can change with the million. Tears inside for you, can't see my loyalty. Free with my look, free without worry, man.
Real friends, real friends.
If I never you got them, real friends, so give thanks for the
No, I can't miss my friend. I'm gonna get down the street. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. My friend's friend. Yeah. They know my friend. When they're killing a woman, they're like, two, like both
pussy. Who can this my dog and survive? Make that and few got no rice. Barrel on this up now, make no nice.
What's up, your madam? Let me make me down for right.
15 and take up.
I could have 10 of them.
Right from fire from a brother them. Watch out. Love her veg to my heart. Make sure it badness to my head.
no, I can't miss my friend. I'm gonna get down the street. Yeah, man. I'm sure it's all good. Yeah,
Let's take a chance.
Right, baby. I do what now?
What going now?
I said for 2 days now, you just beard up and nice.
I'm sure you what my baby did last night. I had a rough something I used called patch. That's what I used to buy.
So, a part 2 today?
It's almost over, but I'm just doing it, yeah?
Yeah, man, people give many thanks and praise. Yeah, man.
It's 2 days.
So we have to head out. From last
2
night,
days.
we about the place and thing, and, you know what I mean? So we have to kind of head out and
He's
then
gone
kind
home.
of tired. I know we are drive, but we have a captain. We are,
But they are, see, everybody has seen my bike, so everybody has
we're in Jamaican delight that a brother Clyde. Yeah?
Nice to
We
meet
have a
you.
post. So give thanks and praise for the support and thing. Even the ones that we attack negativeness, still give thanks to, you know? So, as they would say, we out and bad. Yeah, we can't find the case what now for work with that. We out and bad. Give thanks and praise again, yeah? Thank you very much. We not just cut the life like that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright. Sooner next time again, yeah?
Thank, what?
I appreciate you.
That's I am going to send them off some